Hello children, how are you all? You all completed your 4th class and entered into now 5th class. In English, your first lesson is how the rhinoceros got his skin. We will discuss this lesson. In this lesson, there is a person. Here is a person. His name is Patsy. What is that person name? His name is Patsy. One day this Patsy went to Red Seashores. Means it is an island where there is no people. There will not be much people in that area. He went there carrying only his hat. His hat is to describe his hat, it is like the sun rays are falling on hat and the rays are reflecting from that hat. If sun rays are falling in his hat, from this hat that rays are reflecting again. And also one knife. Patsy went to a island seashore where there is sun in the afternoon, very heat. He went there with his hat which is reflecting rays of the sun. And also a knife. He is carrying a knife also. And one stove which is used to cook. And some materials. Some materials which are used to make cake, oven, flour, sugar, some dry fruits, everything he carried with him. One day, one time when he is preparing to make a cake, he on that stove and he wanted to prepare that cake. He is preparing cake. It is 2 feet all around. This total is 2 feet. This cake is 2 feet all around, and its thickness fat is 3 feet. It is 3 feet fat. This fat is 3 feet. He is nicely preparing a delicious fine cake. As it is going to prepare, it became oven. He kept in oven nicely. He kept kismis, dry fruits, everything. It became a brown color. Cake became brown color, and it is very smelling also very nice. He is feeling to eat that cake when he have to eat. He is waiting for that. After completing making the cake, he off the stove. And he is ready to eat the cake. He want to taste the cake. When he is going to eat the cake, suddenly a rhinoceros. Which animal? Rhinoceros came nearby him. To see that rhinoceros, it is having a horn on its nose. It is having a horn. In bullocks, cows, you will see no horns. They will have horns here. Like that, this rhinoceros also having a horn on its nose. And it is having 2 piggy eyes. Means eyes are very big. To see that eyes, they are like piggy. Means very big eyes. Not to see also the rhinoceros is not appearing very neat. It is somewhat dirty only. In those days, in that days, the rhinoceros skin fitted him quite tight. Means it is very, that skin is very tight. There were no wrinkles anywhere. Means some in skin you will have some wrinkles, means some straight lines like that. If you in rhinoceros there is no wrinkles in olden times. And suddenly that rhinoceros came, no? Percy is very afraid. He got so much fear. The rhinoceros came and he went near a tree, palm tree. He went to this palm tree and sat there, sat on that tree with only his hat. He feared that rhinoceros came, no? So he got fear. He feared and went to this palm tree. He stayed there. Upon this, he climbed this palm tree and stayed there with his hat. The rhinoceros came to this cake. Came near to that cake and spoiled that everything. It pushed cake. As rhinoceros pushed the cake rolled and fallen. It became total ugly, and that he with his rhinoceros legs pushed that stove, and it did unnecessary things. Rhinoceros totally spoiled that everything, rolled here and there, and ate that total cake and went away. The rhinoceros ate cake and went away. That time, after going the rhinoceros, Percy sat on this palm tree, no? After going the rhinoceros, that Percy came down. He climbed down that tree. And he kept that stove on his legs and somehow he cleaned everything and prepared some other cake and he ate, and like that the day is finished. And after 5 weeks, the day afternoon, it is very hot. It is very hot. They are removing their clothes because of hot. It is very hot, no? Since it is very hot, the rhinoceros want to take a bath, shower. It came near that seashore. Rhinoceros came. It has in a 3-button. It has a shirt like 3 buttons. It removed, that rhinoceros removed that shirt like 3-button shirt like underneath. Took off, it is like his skin. The rhinoceros is having a 3-buttoned skin type. As it is very hot, rhinoceros taken that 3 buttons, removed that skin. Rhinoceros removed his skin and carried in his shoulders. On rhinoceros shoulders it carried and walked on this water. And rhinoceros taking water, bubbling that water nicely, moving in water here and there, enjoying in water, having a fresh bath. Rhinoceros the skin he kept aside and having a fresh bath. That time Percy observed that rhinoceros skin and he is very happy. Oh, I got this skin, and he nicely moved around the skin. He is very happy, clapping, rubbing his hands. He can't express his happiness. He is jumping with joy. Taken that skin. He carried that rhinoceros skin. Taken his skin and he made that skin as tickling the rhinoceros. That means he kept some which makes, he kept that some things which will make rhinoceros tickling. That skin he applied some by his tail, cake crumbs carried through his hat, and total that skin he kept. He kept total skin, which makes if that rhinoceros wear that skin, rhinoceros skin is with padsy now. Now the skin of rhinoceros is with padsy. He taken that skin and he kept something on that skin. He applied some unwanted things. He kept so that if a rhinoceros is wearing that skin again, it will get tickling. Tickling means nothing but feeling to laugh. If somebody is tickling us, we will laugh, no? In the same way, he kept on that skin some tickling material and kept there only. Where he taken that skin, same place he kept there. Now, rhinoceros nicely here and there moving, bubbling in water, everything he taken shower bath nicely. It is came near that skin and wear the skin buttoned as usual. After wearing that skin, rhinoceros having tickling, means it is feeling to laugh. If we are feeling itching or laughing everything, we have hands. With our hands we will remove or we will stop that one. But here rhinoceros can't do no like that. It can't itch his body. It is tickling for a rhinoceros. So rhinoceros here too they are moving, rolling as are you remembering that time I said when Patsy is going to eat the cake, suddenly it came and spoiled everything, no? That time cake also rolled, no? In the same way, as it is feeling tickling, the rhinoceros also rolling here and there. It went near this palm tree and rubbed his legs, skin, everything that this. And so that because of that tickling everything, now the rhinoceros skin got wrinkles. Now the rhinoceros skin got wrinkles. And when everything this is happening, that time Patsy is on that palm tree. When that rhinoceros is wearing skin and tickling every the time, that Patsy is on this palm tree. And feeling tickling everything, no? The rhinoceros roll here and there, rubbed for this palm tree, his legs, everything, rubbed here and there, and went to that rhinoceros house. After it, rhinoceros went, and Patsy came down. Again he came down. He came down and he packed all his material. His knife, stove, oven and all his material he packed. And he left that seashore. He left that seashore. And he went in the direction of meadows. Patsy went in the direction of meadows. He packed all his material, everything, and carried his material and went in the direction of meadows. This is how the rhinoceros got his skin.